Hi. Okay, so today I am making, excuse my dishes, but I am making this creamy steak soup. This comes from the Keto for Foodies. It's a low carb cookbook. The macro at the bottom, if you could see that, and that is for one serving. And it has 4 servings. This is how it looks. I've made this before. It's amazing. Take a steak. I'm going to season my steak, salt and pepper. I'm going to do it pretty liberally because, you know, I love a little bit of salt. This is my Ninja Foodie. Right now I have it on the saute button. Here I'm going to add some butter in there, and then I'm going to saute my steak. Okay guys, so my Ninja Foodie is on the saute button. It is heating up with the butter in it, and that butter is a poached garlic butter. Very simple to make. I can show you how to make that. I also added some fresh cracked black pepper to it. So now we're just going to put it in the Foodie and brown it on all sides. It doesn't take that long to brown, especially since you already preheated your Foodie. And I am just stirring this to get the butter and garlic all incorporated into the beef. And now I want to show you the items that you will need. Heavy cream. You will also need some cream cheese, any type that you like. You're going to add some beef bone broth or any type of broth that you like, homemade or store-bought. That is Sam's choice. Chopped spinach, and then you will also need some pearl onions. This is a simple soup to make, very easy, not that many ingredients. It's a fast soup. It's one that you will enjoy time after time. I know we do. This is, I think, my second time making it. So with this, it's all browned. As you can see, it's browning nicely. So I'm going to start adding my ingredients. I'm going to add my beef broth, or this is bone broth by Sam's Choice. Again, I pick this up all the time, especially if you're sick. It's great to have bone broth in your pantry. And now I do want to explain to you about the heavy cream. I don't add my cream until the very last 15 minutes of the soup, because sometimes it can curdle in and it gives you little clumps of white stuff. So I don't like to add that until the very end. So now I am going to add my cream cheese, and I just cut this up in small pieces so it's easier to incorporate. And then the next thing I will add will be my spinach, chopped spinach, but you can also add fresh spinach if you like. It is a very easy soup to make. I hope that you guys make it. If you do, let me know down below if you're making this soup. So now you see the spinach is in there. And then you add the pearl onions. Now, I didn't add the whole bag. I just added a handful of them. And they are quite small so that they will break up. So that is my spinach going in. What was left, I had a heck of time opening it. And now, guys, this is the pearl onions going in. See, it's just a little clump of it. And then I put the lid down and I let this cook. I mix everything up and then I let it cook. So, okay guys, here I am showing you that I am using the pressure cooker feature on this because the slow cook is a yogurt feature and I'm not quite sure. I haven't used that button a lot. So I'm just going to pressure cook this only for 15 minutes. And again, I'm just showing you at the end. I didn't add the heavy cream. I will add that at the end, approximately 15 minutes before I'm ready to serve it. And then here I also decided to make some 3 cheese jalapeno muffins, which is also from the same cookbook. These are the best muffins. I love them. I make them a lot. They're good to have with everything. They're super, super easy. And again, I just love them. I also use the tame jalapenos, so you don't get that bite of the jalapeno, but you get the taste of the jalapeno. So it's just cheese, tame jalapenos, some sour cream, almond flour, and again, oh, and also some baking powder. I forgot about that. But it is so simple. I make them a couple times in a week, and you can also store them in the freezer. I will make them ahead of time and put them in the freezer. And that is it, guys. This is soup, and muffins was the easiest thing to make. It didn't take me that long to make it. And if you get this cookbook, make sure that you let me know. It again is on Amazon. That's where I got mine, and I just love these muffins. They're good with eggs. These are the Also, these ones, I didn't use the hot and spicy. I used the tame ones. If Stefano wants some, I'll use the hot and spicy. So that's it, guys. That is my dinner, and I really enjoyed it. So now I do want to show you my favorite cookbooks. Now this is the Keto Restaurant Favorites by Marie Emmerich. I use that a lot. As you can see, I have some pages flagged of what I've made with her cookbook. This is the Keto Comfort Foods, also from Marie Emmerich, and this one I've used a heck of a lot. Look at all those page marks in there. I use so many of those recipes. Again, I got all my cookbooks off of Amazon, and these are highly recommended. I recommend them 100%. You won't be sorry if you actually buy these. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm going to let you all go. Like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll show you how the soup turned out in the end with some pictures. All right, guys, thank you for watching.